It's Valerie's Virtual Time!
Hello, coders. So today we are going to go start on our Pong game. Now, if you don't know what Pong is, it's a game where you have a paddle on the right and the paddle on the left. There's player A and player B, and there's a ball in the center. The paddles go back and forth, and yeah. So that's what we're going to be making today. Oh no. We're going to put now we want to import a turtle. So go ahead. That's what we want to do. Now, if you don't have Python, then you can't do this. You have to install like packages. And I'm going to set up a terminal. And I'm going to lower it down. So then I have more room. Now let's do... Nope. Help me. No, I don't want to do that. But anyways, we're going to do a window and turtle. Wait. Never mind. That's actually a window equals a turtle screen. And we're going to make it a capital. Okay. We're going to do window. And now this is going to be the title of our Pong game. It's going to be called Pong by Okay, now that's working out. If you want to test it, sure, but I'm not going to. Now, for the title, if you want to follow along, definitely, you can put your name or I don't know what you want to put there, but you can just put whatever you want next. Now we're going to do window.color. And we are going to, I'm just going to test this. If it doesn't work, I'm going to put BG in front of it. But I'm not going to do like regular Pong. I'm just going to do blue. Oh no, blue. Now, you don't have to do classic Pong like I'm doing. You can just do whatever you want. You don't have to do it black. Now, let's test it out if it works. Well, let's hope it works. If it doesn't, then that's going to be a bummer. This is how it works in Atom. Oh yeah, I forgot one part. 1 second. Okay, so here's what I forgot. We need to set up a, like, you know how wide the screen is going to be? That's what we're going to add. So, we're going to do setup. And we are going to do width. It's going to be equal to 800. And our height, oh my god. If you're bad at spelling things, please hit the like button or whatever. I don't know. Height, finally I got it, equals 600. Now, we're going to put a WN tracer, window tracer. Now, we're just going to set it to 0. Oh, no.
Hello?
Ah, Pong.py. Finally. What's wrong? I did not mean underscore color. See if it works. Nope, it did not work. Okay, let's look at the text. Color, did you mean underscore color? Nope, I do not want this. Okay, as I said earlier, this thing's complaining. I'm not gonna put underscore color. Instead, I'm gonna put BG color. Now that should work. Python.ultimate pong.py. Is it wrong with my spelling? Okay, anyways, we're gonna python./ultimate pong.py. Okay, there's no error, but there is something wrong. Let's just test it later. Okay. Now here we go into the main game loop. You want to add some comments. Python ignore these or any other coding system. You want to put little comments so then humans can know what this is. So this is the main game loop. Okay. Okay, so we are going to do win. Oh wait, I'm too into wins. I'm gonna do while true. That's a Boolean. Do this. No. What is wrong with me? Or no, that's not gonna work. One second. I forgot to add this. There we go. We are going to do win.update. Now, you can pretty sure you might be able to guess this if you already knew Python, because this is just like beginner Python, but okay. But win.update, well, whenever it does the loop, and we literally have it in this comment right here, whenever it does the loop, it updates the screen. So, okay, this is annoying. Whatever. But it updates the screen every time the loop is running. So, we're going to have some stuff inside this loop. Next, we are going to... And before I say what we're going to do next, don't take this too seriously. This is only for beginners, so Pong is a very basic and easy game to program. I know it might look complicated to people who don't know what this means, but it's actually really easy. So this is only made it for beginners, so I'm not going to do stuff like orientation or whatever. This is just for beginners if you want to follow. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Instead of adding something, we're going to do python./ultimate pong.py. Now, look, we have a beautiful blue screen or whatever color you chose. Now, it's pretty empty, so we're going to add some paddles. Yeah. I forgot to add this part. Whoopsies. Okay, in order to add the paddles, we are going to... paddle, or never mind. So, as you can see, we have... Okay, my terminal's full. I hate when this happens. I wish, like, the terminal will just, like, I won't have to do this in between. This is so annoying. Oh, what is wrong? There, no, there we go. So we have our beautiful blue screen. And also we have, like, as you can see here, we have the width is 800. So this is plus 800 minus 800. Yeah, and same with the height. Plus 600 minus 600. And it all starts from the center, 0. So yeah, Yes, we are going to go ahead and put the we're going to put the paddles on. Now, placement is really important in Python because it only goes like top to bottom. It reads it from top to bottom. So if you put like the paddles down here, it's going to get confused and run the main game loop first. So yeah, that's a thing to watch out for. But also we're going to put some comments here. Paddle B and the ball. Okay. Now we got our comments ready and we're ready to play some code. Okay, so for paddle A, we're only gonna write on paddle A. I'm gonna tell you later after we're finished with the whole code for paddle A. But first, we're gonna name this paddle A. Now, you could put it lowercase or uppercase. I'm just gonna put it lowercase. Now, this guy is going to be a turtle object, and you write that as turtle. Oh. Now, you gotta be careful. Let me just tell you why. Oh, I gotta put a dot there. But you have to be careful on this because this is a lowercase t and this is an uppercase t. So, you might want to watch on that. You don't want to do this and then this. No, that's backwards. So, yeah. No, I don't want to delete the U because that's part of it. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do next. We are going to set up the speed. Now, paddle underscore A. Oh, no, that's A speed. Now, it's not like Sonic speed when like how fast the paddle moves on the screen. It's the speed of animation. So, if it's gonna be like Sonic fast animation, I'm not sure what you're gonna be ended up with. But I'm just gonna put 0 because that's like without you don't see the like. Okay, to put it basically, it's the animation speed. Whatever, let's just add our second. Oh no, let's just add another thing to add. So we're going to add the shape. Now, paddle A shape. Well, you know what shapes there are in Python if you have already done a game before. Like there's like rectangle, circle, yeah, other cool stuff. But we are going to do a square. Nope. Square. I gotta put this in quotes. Square. Next, we are going to add the color, yeah. So, if you've played classic Pong, I'm pretty sure you already know what the color is. I'm not going to do classic Pong. That's why it's called Ultimate Pong. And let's look at the color. I am going to do, let's see. I'm going to do yellow for this. Or do I want to do that for the ball? Yeah, I might want to do that for the ball. Let's call this one a red. If it's not gonna work, I might want to choose a bright color. Yeah, I'm running out of ideas what to do right now, but okay, let's just go with red. Okay, let's just add another. Well, I keep saying that. So, with this part, we are going to do, now turtles like to draw a line. Now we don't want to see that line, so we're going to tell the turtles to go ahead and put pen up. So like, you know when you put your pen up to stop writing or putting the ink on the paper, or what am I saying? Well, that's what we're going to do here. The turtles are the pen and the line is the ink. We don't want the turtles to draw on the piece of paper to put it basically. And we only want them to draw a square, which we commanded right here. That is perfecto. Let's see. Okay. Next is, so I want my A paddle. I'll fix it later. Okay. But I want my paddle to go to, no, I'm not going to put that in quotes. Minus 350. Now for paddle B, it's going to be the opposite side, as you know. And 0. I'm just going to get rid of that blue dot. But yes, that's what we want, because it's going to start at the left side of the screen, right? You know, classic Pong, where it's like point A, part A, and paddle B. What am I saying? Okay, let's just move on. By moving on, we have to, oh my gosh, why is my thing always, What the heck? I only typed 1. What is wrong? I hate this. Now, as you can see, we have a tiny little square right here. Well, that's supposed to be the shape of the ball. And paddles aren't this small, just saying. So we want to stretch it out a little bit. So what we're going to do is we are going to, okay. So, paddle. Oh, that square was actually 20 pixels by 20 pixels, just saying. Like, you know how tiny a pixel is? Like, look closely at my mouse. Or your mouse. But paddle A, shape, size, and we are going to do stretch. I am terrible at... Okay, stretch width, that's short for... Okay, I might need to put parentheses, who knows. What the heck is wrong with me? But anyway, stretch width is going to be like 5 pixels. And stretch length is going to be, let's just keep it at 1, just to keep it simple. Apparently, I forgot. Why do I always have this habit of putting... Okay, apparently I developed a habit of putting parentheses. Okay, anyways, let's just check if that works. No, I hate my typing fast, kind of. Sometimes. But yay, we have a red paddle that's really bright against the blue that's gonna stand out. Yeah, that's totally gonna stand out, I guess. Sorta. I don't know. Anyways, you wanna do this again? Because that works. And please, no, why can I only, oh my gosh, and I don't have line 123. Where did that come from? Dude, I hate getting a new terminal, it's so annoying. Anyways, let's go ahead and make a new paddle, like for paddle B. Now, as I said, we are going to make another paddle. But, I don't want to do this all over again. And I'm pretty sure so do you. So, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Boom! Now, we just need to make the following changes. If you know your code works, then this is really easy. Just need to make a couple of changes. Now, I don't want the color to be red. Instead, now, I was trying to figure out. Okay, never mind. But yes, I know that's sort of classic Pong, but I don't really want to. And we're going to go ahead and do the same for the ball. Did I copy that? Now, instead of doing paddles, we want to do balls, don't we? Now, I guess I could copy, but who cares? Now, yeah, this is gonna take an eternity. Who cares? Oh, and I almost forgot. Now, we don't... How did this turn into paddle A? I thought I changed you. Okay. Let's see. Let's do plus 350. Now, I don't want to do this for the ball. And we are going to do this yellow. Now that should be perfect, except I don't want to do this. We're going to have it start at the center. Now, let's just check if it works. Oh, that's why I forgot to delete that. And so we have a paddle on the right, the paddle on the left, and a ball in the center. Now this looks, the ball, well, I'm gonna change it to shape. I feel like it. So, okay, good. I can type. Thank you so much. So, I'm gonna make this like sort of table tennis. I'm not gonna make it square. I'm gonna make it circle. Now, you notice how I put an underscore in my title? You don't want to put like a space in your title, so just saying. Yay, now we have like, I'm not going to change the paddles though, that's going to be a little weird. But hey, that makes more sense, like more realistic, right? Where are they getting these ultimate... Line 2647, my maximum is 39. Line 1293, well, that sounds like it's gonna work, but no, it's not gonna work. I'm sorry. Anyway. Oh, jeez. Well, my coders, this is going to be a short little Pong game, and we are going to end it right here. So, for the next video, we are going to make the paddles move, like, you know how you make them move, and the ball move. So that's just a little sneak peek. And since this is our first game, I'll tell you more. So for part 3, we are going to make, like, you know, the player A points and player B points. And for part 4, the last part is going to be, we're going to add the sound. Like, you know how it's like dink, 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 dink. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, coders. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next part where we get to move, because this is kind of boring. Bye!